In this shorter video, everyone, we're on the Pride of Ownership stand at the Practical Classics Classic Car and Restoration Show, Birmingham NEC 2024. We'll start with this stunning Z3 BMW. Next to a Mercedes-Benz 190E. Loving the mobile phone. Next to a 323i.
Really nice. They keep it right off.
I've seen this van before. Splendid 1.8 Ford Escort van. I'd have driven one of those in about 1990. And it certainly wasn't looked after like this one. It lived a hard life. But if, like me, you stepped out of a 1.6 diesel into the 1.8, it almost felt quick. Almost. Stunning. Escort RS cab. So in this shorter video, everyone, I want you to leave me in the comments what's your favourite on the Pride of Ownership stand. Let me know. A Morris Minor 1000, 1965. A lovely Renault 5 GT Turbo. I love that.
Yeah. I said if I sold it.
Obviously I own a bit later version to that one, the Mark IV Clio RS, but this is stunning. How about a Mini Clubman? Club winner, proudly showing off awards. I would certainly do the same. Look at that, it's lovely. How about a stunning Panda 4x4? Next to a 1972 Triumph TR6. A Daimler SP250. How about a 944 Turbo? Next to a Yunus Roadster, which of course over here would have been called the MX-5. Lancia Delta Integrale, look at that. That right there is the thumbnail for this video, everyone. Stunning. E-type, of course. Beautiful A35.
Top bar through and then smash it, painting that red light, smash it.
Love the colour. Right, on the infield we got a Metro GTI. This will be an earlier one, so the single point injection 95 horsepower Metro GTI. How about a classic Golf? With a fabric roof. Fabric sunroof, should I say. Look at that. MG X-Power SV. And finally a TVR Grand Tourer. As I stand in front of my favourite, everyone, that's the Pride of Ownership stand at the NEC Restoration Show 2024. Let me know in the comments which one you preferred. See you on the next one.